And I look back on that and I am so glad that the money that I made from that side hustle, I never spent. I invested it. Because today, that money that we invested from our side hustles has reached over $1 million. Hey guys, it's Ahmad from Our Journey, and on today's video, we gotta talk about our SEP IRAs. This is probably one of the most transparent videos we have ever done, and we have shared a lot with you guys. But today, I am gonna take you into our SEP IRA investment accounts at Vanguard and show you exactly how our money has been growing in those accounts. I'm also gonna talk to you guys about this powerful investment account for anyone that is an entrepreneur, a side hustler. If you have not looked into these accounts, you should seriously do that, because the money that you are making with your side hustle, if you invest that money, it could set you free and you could achieve financial independence and retire early. Now, first of all, let's just talk about side hustle money for a minute, because side hustle money is money that you make outside of your regular 9 to 5. And most people that make side hustle money, they tend to go, and I'll just say it, blow the money. The more money they make from the side hustle, they tend to do things like go on fancier vacations, buy nicer cars. They make more, they spend more. They are never intentional about the side hustle money that they are making. But the moment they start treating side hustle income like investment capital instead of spending that money, everything changes. That's when side hustle money becomes long-term wealth money. Our side hustle money was the secret sauce to us achieving financial independence and retiring early. And by investing that money in our SEP IRAs, it is literally making us multi-millionaires. And so today, I am gonna show you guys the power of the SEP IRA by taking you guys into our investment accounts. I'm gonna show you our real SEP IRA accounts, how they recently crossed over $1 million combined, and the exact ETF we are investing in, and why our 1-year returns were over 54%, and how these accounts alone could grow into multi-million-dollar accounts by the time we reach retirement age. Because this right here is how side hustle money becomes real wealth. So before I take you guys into our investment accounts, let's talk first about what exactly a SEP IRA is. A SEP IRA stands for a Simplified Employee Pension Individual Retirement Account. And this retirement account was specifically designed for self-employed people, entrepreneurs, freelancers, consultants, creators, small business owners, and people earning side hustle income. Now here's where the account gets really powerful. For 2026, SEP IRA contribution limits are the lesser of 25% of your compensation or $70,000 annually. That is massive. Now compare that to the traditional IRA or the Roth IRA that only allow you to invest $7,000 to $8,000 depending on your age annually. When you look at the SEP IRA compared to those, the SEP IRA allows side hustlers and entrepreneurs to invest dramatically more tax-deferred money. And we love any account that gives us a tax advantage. Tax deference is an incredible benefit for entrepreneurs. Reducing your taxable income by putting money in these accounts is incredible. The tax code heavily rewards ownership, entrepreneurship, and investing. But it gets a lot better. Here's something else a lot of people don't realize about SEP IRAs. When you have a SEP IRA, it does not mean that you cannot also have other retirement accounts. So in other words, your SEP IRA doesn't replace your other retirement accounts, it adds to them. That means your side hustle income can create an entirely new bucket of tax advantage investing. For example, someone could potentially have a SEP IRA, a Roth IRA, a traditional IRA, an HSA, and even a 401k, all working together at the same time to build an incredible nest egg of wealth. And here's something that I really want people to understand. You do not need a huge business to start building wealth with a retirement account. And so for a lot of people watching this and thinking, well, this only works if you have a business. No, if you have any type of self-employed side hustle income, that means Uber drivers, photographers, YouTubers, Etsy sellers, online resellers, real estate agents, graphic designers, anyone making side hustle money could potentially open up one of these accounts. And so it doesn't matter how much money it is. It could be as little as $500 or $5,000 or $50,000. You should be seriously looking at a SEP IRA. Let me show you just how powerful this can be. So let's say somebody earns just an extra $500 per month on their side hustle. That's $6,000 per year. Now imagine consistently investing that money into a SEP IRA that just gets the average return of the stock market. Year after year, that money is compounding and growing. And if that side hustle income grows over time, the numbers become much larger. That's why entrepreneurship matters so much, not just because of the income, but because of what the income can eventually become. Which brings us to the best part of this video. I am gonna take you guys in to our SEP IRA accounts. Woo! This is exciting. The first account I'm gonna take you guys into is my account. So let's go on in. So this is my SEP IRA. My current balance is roughly around $500,000. Now look at this 1 year performance. My investment gains are over $176,000 in 1 year. That's over 54% incredible. Now, let's go into Christina's account, which is even more impressive. Her current balance is over $520,000, and her 1 year gains are roughly over $184,000 with a rate of return of over 55%. That is incredible. Now, when you combine both of our SEP IRAs, that is over $1 million that we have in just these retirement accounts. And I say just these retirement accounts because if you guys have been following our channel, you know that we have a lot of investment accounts. Not because we're reckless and we can't figure out what we want to invest in, but because each account plays a role in our investment strategy. There's a tax advantage, there's an access advantage. There are many reasons why we have multiple investment accounts, but each are a different type of investment account. For example, we have our 401ks, our Roth IRAs, our traditional IRAs, our HSAs, taxable brokerage accounts, many other accounts. Now, if you guys want to see all of our accounts and how we are investing in our accounts in real time, you are gonna want to check out the resources that we have in the description below. Check those out or go to ourrichjourney.com for more information on how we are investing now and how we invested in the past to achieve financial independence. And so it's important that you understand that these SEP IRAs are just one part of our overall investment strategy. But let's dig a little deeper into these accounts and talk about exactly what we are investing in. Now, we are investing in a tech ETF called VGT. Now, you guys have heard us talk about VGT on this channel a lot. I will link other videos where we go into a lot more detail about VGT. But this tech ETF is probably our favorite ETF, and anyone that has been following this channel, if you have been investing along with us, you have been doing amazingly. But let's talk just briefly about what VGT is all about. So VGT, Vanguard Information Technology ETF, is an ETF that holds Microsoft, NVIDIA, Apple, Broadcom, Oracle, Cisco, a number of tech and information technology companies. These companies are driving artificial intelligence, semiconductors, cloud computing, all of that good stuff. And personally, we believe strongly in technology. It is the engine of the stock market right now, and it is going to shape the economy for decades to come. Now let's jump back into our investment accounts because I want to show you something else that is very powerful: unrealized gains. Now you can see in my account, my unrealized gains are now over $160,000. And if you look at Christina's account, hers are over $180,000. This is very important because these types of gains are really what investing is all about. Eventually, your investment returns will start to make more money than the actual contributions that you put into your investment accounts. And that's when wealth building starts to dramatically accelerate. And this is a really important point to emphasize, especially when we talk about future projections. For example, let's say Christine and I never invested another dollar into these accounts and we just left it in VGT and we let the market do what it's always done. With VGT returning 14% annually on average, after about 5 years, our $500,000 turns into $1 million. That's crazy. So I'm 46 now, so by the time I'm 51, $1 million in a SEP IRA, but it gets even better. Now, your SEP IRA is your retirement account, and so you access that money at retirement age. And so if I leave that money alone until retirement age, that money grows to close to $4 million. Each one of us will have $4 million in our SEP IRA accounts by the time we are retirement age eligible to take from those accounts. That's $8 million just in those accounts. And that's if we never invested another dollar again. The most powerful thing about all of this is that it all started from side hustle money. The money that you make outside of your 9-to-5, driving for Uber, doing some guides, selling things on Etsy, this is all side hustle money. The money that people would come up to you and say, how's that little side hustle of yours going? And you say, oh, it's doing good. You know, I'm making a little bit of money. I'm investing that money. And this is how that money goes from a little bit of money to a whole lot of money. Investing, investing, investing. It is so explosive once the compound interest takes hold. Now, something else that is so important for everyone to understand is that in order for these accounts to start to gain momentum, to start to compound, you have to leave that money alone. That means no panic selling. That means not pulling from these investment accounts like they're your bank account or your checking account. That means investing and leaving it there, letting it grow. And so that takes discipline, and that takes a shift in the mindset of a lot of people. But I know this is something you can do. It's something that we struggle with initially, but eventually we were able to wrap our heads around the future potential growth of our money. That is the part about investing that so many people fail to take into account. When you leave the money alone, the money starts to work for you. So in other words, don't interrupt the process. And so I hope this video has given you guys a little bit of perspective when it comes to the importance of a side hustle, but also how you use that side hustle money. The side hustle money could be the key to your financial freedom, to your financial independence, and to your early retirement. And I hope that if you are making this money, it doesn't mean that you are spending more money, but instead investing more money, maybe into a SEP IRA. And so if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.